Hi everyone, this is a Focus Spender, and today I'm going to be talking to you guys about the wild swings in the stock market and whether or not you should be buying, selling, or holding. But first, if you're new to my channel, I would love for you to subscribe. My channel is all about getting out of debt, staying out of debt, organizing your personal finances, and increasing your net worth. So let's get started. So if you're paying any attention to the stock market, you know that it has been on some crazy wild swings lately. The day before Christmas was record lows, and the day after Christmas was record highs. Even before Christmas, the stock market had started to go downwards. So if you're someone who cannot help but check your account balances on a regular basis, you might be freaking out a little bit. You might be thinking this is like a nightmare and you're losing all your money and wondering what it is that you should do. But I want to let you know that it's happening to everyone, including me. Overall, all of my accounts are down. Personally, I'm not going to change my behavior as of yet. Nothing that's happening right now is causing me alarm to say I'm going to sell my stocks or I'm going to stop investing. Quite the contrary. I plan on funding my 401k as normal, my Roth IRA, my Betterment, my M1 finances. Because at the end of the day, if you look at history, everything that goes up must come down, and everything that goes down will eventually come back up again when you're talking about the stock market. So I don't want anyone to feel like they should be panicking at this moment. For you, the question is whether or not you should be buying, selling, or holding. Now, I would not suggest anyone start to sell off all their stocks, especially if you're about to lose money. I think the only time you should think about selling your stocks in a market like this is if you have a fund or a stock that has actually done really, really well. And if you sell now, you're not going to lose your money. You're still going to make some type of profit, but you might be thinking, okay, you know what, maybe I want to get them. I want to capture the profit that I have gained before I lose too much. Or if you have a super specific purpose for that money, maybe you've been saving for a down payment or for a house, or you've been saving for something and you don't want to lose that investment because you're going to need that money relatively soon. And this is also speaking to people who are much younger. If you're close to retirement age, you have other things to think about when it comes to selling. Now you're left with two options, whether you buy or whether you hold. So if you buy now, you're pretty much buying stocks at a discount. You're buying stocks that are at a 52-week low, like it's at the lowest point that it's been this year. So you can get stocks, as they say, on sale. Or if you hold, that means you're just doing nothing. You're not buying new shares, you're not selling. So if you're not selling, you're not going to risk losing a profit because those shares and your stocks could go back up. But if you're not buying, then you could be losing out on money as well. Let's say you have shares in a company that costs, $50, and right now the price is down to $41. If you don't buy anymore right now and buy them again when they're back up, then you're losing out on $9 per share. So it really depends what you're interested in. And another thing that you have to think about whether or not you're gonna buy shares in a company is, why is the price low? Is the price low because the company is doing poorly? Or is the price low because everything is low right now? So if you're going to buy right now, definitely do your research into the stocks, into the funds, whatever it is, to make sure that you're making an actual sound investment. I was watching a fund manager on television, and she said that the average person, buys stocks when the prices are going up and sells when the prices are going down, meaning they're buying high and selling low, which is the exact opposite of what you want to do. So right now, if you can afford it, if you're not, in debt and you have money that you can afford to invest, this is actually a good time to start thinking about investing because you can make some significant gains further down the line. Thinking about the recession of 2008, the people who did really, really well were those that were able to invest while the market was really low. So this is something that you should be thinking about. My advice again is not to panic or make any rash decisions, especially if you're young or youngish and time is on your side. I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to click like if you do. Leave a comment, ask me any questions, share it with your friends, and you can also follow me on social media at Focus Spender on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Thanks. Bye-bye.